This is the MSI Vigor GK80 keyboard. It's a full-sized keyboard with a floating key design, which isn't just for nice looks, it also makes the keyboard really easy to clean if you remove the keycaps. The Vigor GK80 uses Cherry MX mechanical switches and is currently available in Cherry MX Red and Cherry MX Speed Silver. Each Cherry MX switch is rated to last over 50 million key presses, making them a great investment for years of intensive gaming. You can choose from millions of colors and a number of predefined effects by using the shortcuts on the keyboard, or for more detailed controls, use the MSI RGB Mystic Light software to synchronize your lights with other components, and you can fully customize your light effects and profiles even down to individual keys. Adding some true gaming flair to the mix, the GK80 has 4 unique metallic keycaps on the WASD keys. Thanks to the unmistakable feel of these keycaps, you'll never find yourself accidentally pressing the wrong keys again. Included in the box are a number of double injection keycaps with texturized rubber surface, making them instantly recognizable to the touch. You'll also find the regular WASD keycaps in here in case you prefer a more traditional look and feel. The GK80 has a detached wrist rest that allows you to place it exactly how you want it to. It also offers space to store any extra keycaps that you're not using. Situated on the back of the keyboard is a pass-through USB 2.0 port, which is perfect to connect other peripherals like a mouse or a headset. So if you're looking for a sturdy gaming keyboard that uses mechanical switches, definitely check out the Vigor GK80 keyboard. Happy gaming!